I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to a new video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, and this one's so big that I had to make a whole video for it. So let's just jump right into it. It is the Petty Wildflowers Box Set. Just got home, and this was at my front door. So I couldn't wait to make a video. I had to make it right now. So let's open this thing up. Ooh. It's a box inside of a box. Pretty thick. Let's open this bad boy up here. So it comes in this bag. This comes in this bag here. So open this up. Woo. The Super Deluxe vinyl, so there's 9 albums in here. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh yeah. This thing is so thick. So you open it up. Each record has its own sleeve. Just cardboard sleeve. Whoa, 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 whoa. And inside there's a hardcover book. It's got pictures. That's pretty cool. I definitely have to look through that. The spine. Oh yeah. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. A lyric book. I don't know if you can really see that. It just says all the lyrics. This is pretty cool. It's got a picture to go along with this each song. That's cool. That's cool. And then, ooh, gotta break the seal on this thing. So there's this black envelope in here. I don't want to rip it. Oh, okay. A certificate of authenticity. Mine says it's number 50. That's kind of a cool number. Put that over here. We get the 45 with Girl on LSD and You Don't Know How It Feels. I have the CD version of this, so this is pretty cool. What else is in here? Okay. We have the handwritten lyrics, which I'm just a copy of the handwritten lyrics. And this also has the patch and a sticker. Man, this thing is so cool. And then we have some, just like a print, just blank on the one side. There's so much in here. It says Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, Dogs with Wings. Dog on the back with some wings. And then this slides out, and it is, I don't really know what this is. Just a little picture book. So inside this book, there's more pictures. A couple paragraphs here and here I'll have to read later. I believe there's only one more thing that I got inside of this. Okay. And this is a little pouch, which I think has like a necklace or something in it. Let's see if I can open it. Ooh. So it's just got like a beaded necklace. Nothing too crazy about this. It doesn't say Tom Petty on it, doesn't say anything. It's just in a little bag. That's it. That's all that came in the bag. I haven't seen that there's different colors of these. There's a red one and there's a blue one. I don't know if those are different releases or if the deluxe one like this just got a bunch of different bags. I'm not sure. Well, there you have it. It's Tom Petty, Wildflowers, All The Rest. I'm so excited to get this. It doesn't feel like the original one. It's more of like a cardboard feeling, but oh my God, this thing is cool. I can't wait to play this. I have to go back to work after this, and I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Oh my God. I'll be looking forward to this all day. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys next time.
Hey.